So, one by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit vào chân phải lên, right leg up, thẳng chân. Thả chân phải lên trước, right leg front. Gối xuống. Hai tay, side of the body. Look up, chin up, hai tay swung. Đảo lên mặt lên. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hai tay swung. Chân phải ra sau, right leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line. Plank pose. Tha sung. Chaturanga, come swung. Hit vào cobra, look up, chin up, come to Bhujangasana. Tha, downward facing dog. Again, same, one by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one more time, hit vào chân trái lên. Yes. Tha, chân trái lên trước, left leg front in between your palm. Again, inhale, both hands, side of the body. Yes, look up, chin up, try to focus on your back. Relax yourself. Couple of breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High thigh swung. Drop your both palm down. Left leg back to plank pose. Chanchara sao. Yes. Hold the breath. Chaturanga. Sung. Inhale. Cobra. Look up, chin up. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Again. Same, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Right leg, chân phải lên. Right leg, chân phải. Chân phải lên trước. Right leg front in between palm. Gối xuống. Hai tay lên. Yes. Go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab tay. Namaste. Turn your body right side. Bend 5. Kanai dog, tai chai gap tai, hai tai back side, interlock your finger. Come dog, jab tai, namaste. Yes, very good. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hai tai swung. Chân phải ra sau, right leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line. Goi sung. Come swung. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra. Look up, chin up. Very good, excellent. Come on, everybody. Exhale, downward facing dog again. Yeah. Same, one by one. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Same. Inhale. Chin chai lên. Left leg up. Left leg front in between your palm. Chin chai lên chuk. Yes. Drop your knees. Raise your hands up. Hai thigh lên. Go back maximum. As much as possible you can. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab tai. Namaste. Twist your spine again. If you can, then tai phi, gap tai. Tai chi back side, hai tai an. Try. Yes, that's good. Beautiful. Look up, chin up. 1, 2. Comes out. 3, 4, 5. Nice. High thigh swan. Chanchara asao. Left leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight. One line. Again. First, goi sung. Goi sung. Kam sung. Chan phai lên. Goi sung ma. Yeah. Chân phải thẳng chân lên. 1, 2, 3. Chân phải gặp chân. Tay trái back side. Tay trái catch. Tay trái, tay trái. Tay trái. Yeah. Hít vào. Can I do tay phải lên? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Relax. Okay, one more time, Sim. Chin chile. Left leg up. Come on, try. Call in. Chin chai, gap chin. Thigh five, right hand back side. Grab your ankle. Yeah, thigh challenge. Very good. Come on. 1, nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit vào. Cobra. Look up, chin up. Cobra posture. Yep. Third, downward facing dog.